Hi everyone, welcome to Apple Tech page. Lot of iPhone 15 series users have been complaining that their iPhone camera blurry and out of focus. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix this issue. First solution is enable macro control. To do this, launch settings app. Scroll down the screen to find camera and tap it. Now scroll down the screen to bottom. Enable macro control if it's off and vice versa. Scroll up the screen. Tap on preserve settings. Turn on macro control if it's off and vice versa. Second solution is clean the camera. Take a microfiber cloth and wipe out your camera gently to clean dust and debris. Then check if your camera is working properly or not. Third solution is check for iOS update. To do this, launch settings app. Next, tap on general. Here, tap on software update. If update available, download and install it. Solution 4 is force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side or power button until you see the Apple logo. Solution 5 is reset all settings. When you do reset all settings, all your customized settings will go back to default settings, but none of your personal data will be deleted. To do this, launch settings app. Next, tap on general. Now scroll down to bottom and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Here, tap on reset. Tap reset all settings. Next, enter your iPhone's passcode if prompted. Tap reset all settings in the pop-up window. Again tap reset all settings to confirm the process. Thanks for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe to Apple Tech page.